In this video, we'll show you how to package and label your items correctly so that we can quickly receive and shelve your inventory at the facility. Now, if you forget a label or if you don't package things right, it could take up to 10 days to receive. You might even be charged a fee for us to correct the mistake or to ship the package back to you. But don't worry, because these situations are easily avoidable. Just follow this checklist. First, all items must be protected in a sealed or closed container. You can use a poly bag, box, or clamshell plastic to do this. This will keep the items protected and get them ready for sale. Next, make sure hazard warnings are visible and obvious. Keep expiration dates on perishable goods visible and obvious. And lastly, make sure no price tags or retailer-specific labels appear on the packaging. Also, remember that some product types have additional guidelines. Here are a few examples. Batteries must be packaged to prevent short circuits or contact with other metals. Liquids must be packaged to prevent leaks and must be able to pass a drop test. Sharp items must be packaged so no pointed edges can harm associates or customers. Now, for each package, you'll need 3 labels: an item label, a receiving label for our fulfillment center, and a carrier label. All labels must be readable and scannable. Let's talk about the item label first. Every sellable unit needs an item label. You can use 12-digit UPCs or 14-digit GTINs for your item label. We don't currently accept other identifying numbers. If you send items with other identifying numbers, we'll have to reject them or charge you a fee to correct them. The receiving label goes on the outside of each box or pallet. It has a barcode with the unique shipment ID, but it also has other information so we can verify the contents. Finally, the carrier label tells the carrier where to deliver the shipment. This also goes on the outside of each box or pallet. You can find all the labels you need in Seller Center. You just need to download and print them out. To print an item label, just go to the inventory page, select the item, and choose Print GTIN Label. You can also print item labels when creating your shipping plan. After you add the items, select the 3 dots next to an item and choose Print GTIN Label. You can print other labels while you finish creating your shipping plan. On the shipping step of your shipping plan, look for the button to download receiving labels for master cases. Or you can print your receiving and carrier labels from the shipping plans page once you're done. Don't forget, if you're using a Walmart preferred carrier, we'll generate a carrier label for you. But if you're using your own carrier, you'll have to create your own carrier label or use the carrier's website. Choose View Plan. Then select Download next to the labels you want to print. Choose the label size you want to print, then download. The final step is loading the shipment onto a truck. If your shipment's arriving as a drop trailer, floor loads are fine. But if it's arriving as a live unload, you must send pallets. Either single or double stacked pallets are fine to use. If you're using single pallets, use a standard size of 48 by 40 inches. Each pallet should weigh less than 2,100 pounds, and the overall height should be shorter than 72 inches. If you're double stacking pallets, make sure to use corner boards. Also, stretch wrap the boxes to the pallet. The overall height should be shorter than 108 inches. And that's it. You're all set to prep your inventory. Don't forget to watch our other Seller Academy tutorials to keep learning.